What was the most popular TV show in 1955? I Love Lucy, Gunsmoke, The Ed Sullivan Show. The correct answer is I Love Lucy. What was the name of the first satellite in 1957? Sputnik, Apollo, Explorer. The correct answer is Sputnik. What toy, introduced in 1952, became a hit? Mr. Potato Head, Barbie doll, Play-Doh. The correct answer is Mr. Potato Head. Which iconic car model was launched in 1953? Chevrolet Corvette, Ford Mustang, Cadillac Eldorado. The correct answer is Chevrolet Corvette. Who starred as Danny in Grease on Broadway in the 1950s? John Travolta, Maxwell Caulfield. None. It premiered in 1972. The correct answer is none. It premiered in 1972. Which 1950s singer was known as the King of Rock and Roll? Elvis Presley, Buddy Holly, Jerry Lee Lewis. The correct answer is Elvis Presley. What was the name of the first Disneyland park? Opened in 1955. Disneyland California, Disneyland Florida, Disneyland Paris. The correct answer is Disneyland California. What fast food chain introduced the Golden Arches in the 1950s? McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's. The correct answer is McDonald's. What was the common name for home nuclear fallout shelters in the 1950s? Bomb shelters, safe bunkers, panic rooms. The correct answer is bomb shelters. What type of dance became a sensation in the 1950s? Twist, swing, breakdancing. The correct answer is twist. Which cartoon character debuted in the 1950s? Snoopy, Mickey Mouse, The Flintstones. The correct answer is Snoopy. What was the top-selling novel of the 1950s? To Kill a Mockingbird, Catcher in the Rye, Lolita. The correct answer is Catcher in the Rye. Which TV family lived in Mayberry? The Andy Griffith Show, Leave It to Beaver, The Honeymooners. The correct answer is The Andy Griffith Show. What was the primary mode of communication for teenagers in the 1950s? Telephone, texting, writing letters. The correct answer is telephone. What was the cost of a gallon of gas in the 1950s? 25 cents, 75 cents, $1.50. The correct answer is 25 cents. Who was President of the United States for most of the 1950s? Dwight D. Eisenhower, Harry S. Truman, John F. Kennedy. The correct answer is Dwight D. Eisenhower. Which iconic rock and roll song was released in 1955? Rock Around the Clock, Jailhouse Rock, Great Balls of Fire. The correct answer is Rock Around the Clock. What material was used to make most records in the 1950s? Vinyl, plastic, aluminum. The correct answer is vinyl. Which 1950s movie starred James Dean? Rebel Without a Cause, Giant, both. The correct answer is both. What household appliance gained popularity in the 1950s? Microwave oven, refrigerator, dishwasher. The correct answer is microwave oven. What was the primary method for washing clothes in the early 1950s? Washing machines, hand washing, dry cleaning. The correct answer is washing machines. Which soda became widely popular in the 1950s? Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Dr. Pepper. The correct answer is Coca-Cola. What was the most watched televised event of the 1950s? The moon landing, Queen Elizabeth's coronation, Eisenhower's inauguration. The correct answer is Queen Elizabeth's coronation. Which comic strip began in the 1950s? Peanuts, Garfield, Calvin and Hobbes. The correct answer is Peanuts. Which fabric became synonymous with fashion in the 1950s? Polyester, nylon, denim.